Howdy. Just cleaning up the basement here because it's really cold outside. I ain't doing nothing outside today. And then thought I'd work on this shotgun here. It doesn't have much for sights, like it's got a bead down the end. I'd like to paint that white. And then I was looking online to get some rear sights for it that clamps right on this rib. And to go through measurements and all that stuff. And then I thought they were kind of costly, like the ones you buy. So I started thinking, why don't I just make my own? And then at work, they're always throwing these clips out. Alright. I thought, well, those sites on the internet that you buy, they just clip on also. Alright. So I thought I could use maybe one of these. Right? Just clips on the, right on the rib. Whoa. Oh, I gotta have my glasses on to do that, I guess. But, oh, here they are, a pair of glasses. Really gotta get the cleaning here. There we go, I can see now. Now if I just had a third hand. Alright, let's take this. Don't smash the barrel. And then you just go all the way back. And it just clips on there. Like so. And I'm looking through the black thing. It's hard to get the camera down that low. Unless I pull it back a ways. I don't know if you can see that bead or not. Anyways, that makes a hell of a peep sight. It's a little big though, so I like the idea of just clamping it on. And then when you don't want it, just take it off. Alright. I got some smaller ones. I got this white one. I kind of like the white one. Probably see better in those low light conditions when you're hunting deer with slugs. So let's clamp that on there, see how that looks. And you know, it goes on flush, and that's it does, so it won't move around at all. Right? Oh yeah, I like that. Hold still, you vermin. Look at that. Oh, I like it. This thing shoots a little low anyway, so now that the peep sight, I use the peep sight, I can get elevation, a little more elevation. You know, I gotta try this out. I gotta test it. I think this is all I need for a peep sight. How much that cost? Nothing. Does it look weird? Sure. But I only need it when I'm hunting. Hunting in the woods. Hunting deer. And most of the time I can keep it in my pocket. I could even have a couple of them in case I lose one. That makes a good peep sight. I'm quite impressed with that. I just made something out of nothing. Or, well, I made something out of something else. Yeah. It's free. I like that. Oh, can't wait. Well, the only thing left to do is test it. I ain't doing it today. It's too cold. Anyways, these paper clip thingies, clamp right on your barrel, so it's an idea.